LBC, we are coming to you live. Endymion Saturday night, celebrating a little Mardi Gras. We got a special battle pour here tonight. Knob Creek Cask Strength Rye Whiskey. This is a 9-year limited release. Comes in at 119.6 proof. Versus the Wild Turkey Rare Breed Barrel Proof Rye. This one comes in at 112.2. Old Monday Night Football. Remember that when they used to battle it out in the helmets? It's gone down. Here we go. Let's see which one is worth the money. So to the right, Wild Turkey. To the left, Knob Creek. Wild Turkey's got that classic rye spice. Great orange marmalade note on there. A lot of citrus. Tons of citrus and vanilla. Let's go to the nose on the Knob Creek. Oh, man. So Knob Creek's got that Jim Beam profile. Not too overpowering. It's got that nuttiness, but it goes really well with that citrus. Oh, man. It's got a savory note on the back end. Like a salted caramel. So it's almost like a salted peanut with a caramel, but a little bit of citrus on the back end. This one's got a lot of complexity to it for a rye. So the nose goes to the Knob Creek. Let's go to the palate. Oh, that Wild Turkey. I love what they do with that rare breed. The barrel proof really punches through that Wild Turkey signature. It's got that funkiness, that vanilla icing with orange. This is almost like a creamsicle. Got that citrus, vanilla cream to it. Man, like a sherbet ice cream. That's a better way to put it. Oh man, yeah, love that Wild Turkey. All right, to the Knob Creek. Oh, so the Knob Creek on the palate, way more spice and that punch in the mouth, but in a good way, than the Wild Turkey. Definitely more mouth coating. Probably the age is what's getting that. I mean, just coats the total mouth with cinnamon spice, black pepper, tons of bacon spice. Ooh, that's tough. Two totally different palates. The nose was easy, but the palates, man. Yeah, still with that sherbet citrus with the vanilla. I tell you what, this is dead on. But with that mouthfeel, that just immediate as it hits the palate, mouth coating, the winner, the Knob Creek Cask Strength Rye Whiskey takes this double barrel battle here tonight on Endymion Saturday. Remember, pop 'em, don't watch 'em.